Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be making something that us Polynesians like to eat. It's like a oka with raw fish, but instead it's replaced with Taro, can of fish. Nice to eat with galo or Faye. It's up to you guys. My camera's lopsided, and my left glass is it's blurry. It's foggy because it's hot. Anyway, guys, I'm going to show you my ingredients, okay, for today's recipe. Anyway, how's everyone, by the way? Sorry not to ask. Hope you guys are all okay. Well, praise the good Lord. Okay, ingredients time. You're going to need spring onion, tomato, salt and pepper, lemon, probably half of that lemon, pepe, tayo, onion, coriander, cucumber. That's it. This is what's going to go into what I'm going to make today. So, see you then. So these 2 cans I'll be needing to put into what I have to do. This is the bowl that I'm going to be chopping everything in. Excuse you, oh there. I was thinking, I had 2 of these. Where's the other one? There, guilty. So tomato. Guess what, guys? I put my whole cucumber into the fridge. 2 days later, this is what I find. How dare they? Anyway, stop complaining. We gotta have a family meeting like, oh, told you to duck. Gotta have a family meeting, guys. I gotta find out who did it. Hey. And then dong them on the head for the other half that they left behind. How dare they? I thought they weren't veggie kids. Veggie kids. Anyway, I'm just making a little pattern of my cucumber. Yeah, Yeah. So you gotta chop up all your stuff first, guys. Hey, let me tell you, I washed my hands. I did, honest. It's one thing I can't stand is someone cooking with dirty hands. Because, guys, you wouldn't want to eat other people's germy hands. They won't want to eat your germs too. No. So, first of all, gotta chop up all the stuff. How you guys been? How you guys keeping? And on this lockdown, right? This lockdown. Rude. But it has to save us, guys. We gotta be saved, you know? Otherwise, but it's too late. You're going to bring it to your family. And if you love your family, you must behave and don't go into the coronavirus areas. Not that we know whereabouts in the... we don't know where. But just stay safe. Stay indoors. Anyway. So tomato... I normally like heaps of cucumber. But it's not gonna happen today. Someone, one of my kids, aka my husband, I think it's him. I think it's my husband. You know why? Because my kids are not really vegetable kids. And it's sad because I think it's the way I raised them, because I don't really, I'll be honest, I really don't eat a whole lot of vegetables. Well, not when I was younger, but now, yeah, if I remember to. But listen, This is why I like getting takeaways, guys. It's because vegetables come in with the food. And then la la, ta-da. Anyway, this is my half onion. I know, massive. So, I'm not gonna have a whole lot of raw onions in here. Hey, yeah, I bought a little bowl to put all my mix in it. You know, this looks like a lot of onion to put in here, guys. Shit. Yeah, oh yeah, a lot of onions, but not. Okay. Put my big knickerbockers on, and yeah. Oh, guess what, guys? I got a lovely message from Victoria, from Shosi and Victoria. SP Squad. Yeah, I know, guys. I got so excited. So excited. Listen, Victoria, I mean it. Ask my kids, man. I don't even know how to look up messages or anything. I don't. I know, I'm on computer all the time, but there's some stuff that I don't know, right? See, that's sad. That's sad because my kids don't want to teach me. They go, oh, Mom, go on YouTube. La. But listen, I have to understand it real good. Now, okay, I'd rather them teaching me. Okay, that's enough onion, guys. I don't like a whole lot of raw onions. You know, one time when my mum was pregnant, she ate raw onions when she was pregnant too. Ouch! Ouch! Stop it! Far out, man. I'm just trying to do my own business. No. This goes in last. I like to put that in last. See? Distraction. And look at this, guys. This is how I use my spring onions. A bit fobbish. But, oh yeah, as I was saying, Josie and Victoria squad. Yeah, well, Victoria mailed me. Oh, and she told me that her parents really like watching my channel. Whawhitai lava, Victoria's parents. Yeah, fearful, yeah. Well, hey, longi me maka. Yeah, ora maka, lero makua kuka aku ilunga le YouTube. See, it's alright. Faye. Arienga ko me efai. Yeah. You know what my mom's doing right now? She's watching Island Samoan movie on YouTube. But I had to take her inside, guys, because I'm in the garage. See, what I do, I get, now I'm sidetracked from what I was saying before. Anyway, I'll sidetrack you in a minute. Okay, yeah, and then she was saying, Victoria, saying that her dad really liked the chowder, the seafood chowder that I made. Oh, Selemang, thank you very. And then she said that, oh, I don't want to tell you the other bit. Maybe Victoria will tell you one day on her channel. I don't know. But thank you very much, Victoria. Thank you so much for, you know, reaching out to tell me that. Oh, that's so cool, man. That's so cool. Whawhitai lava Victoria's parents. Send aku ia lupa mo o lua marwhanau. Thank you so much. Se ko lele. O mai makamakale channel siero makua ia pe a. Yeah. Me siria ngai manguia o lua. Whawhitai le atua, le alofa mai a tātou. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah. Oh, anyway. So what I do, right? I always buy my spring onions, and whenever I want to use it, say come here. So whenever I want to use it, right? I buy the whole thing and then I wrap it. I wrap it all the way to the tip. I don't know about this because I really don't use it. I wrap it all the way to the tip and then I put it in the fridge. It stores it longer So whenever I want to use it, I take it out and I unwrap the top bit. And I wash the front bit that the amount of spring onion that I think I'm going to need. And then I chop it from the top. And then I wrap it all again, put it back in the fridge. So whenever I need, some more, I just undo it. Wash, chop what I need. And this is still going, guys. So far, this will be the third time I've used this onion. Yeah, guys, I got some leftover coriander. If you watch my other cookings, guys, you'll find that this woman loves coriander. Loves coriander. My love for coriander started when my husband and I and our kids, we used to go over to Bankstown, on the old side of Bankstown. We used to go into the Asian food restaurants. Hey, get back. Anyway, and we would what? Yeah, we would go there for soup. Okay, and I used to stick this coriander. Oh. Hey, I've got clean hands, guys. For those that's thinking I don't. Okay. Anyway, so we used to go into this Chinese restaurant. I don't know if it's Chinese, it could be Korean or Asian restaurant. Put it that way. Yeah, and they used to put this coriander leaf stuff on top. And I've never tasted it before. How old was I back then? Oh, old bags still having, anyway. So they put this coriander thing on top, guys. I'm gonna put the tayo in here now. When I think about it, is that even enough tomatoes? No, guys. Stop, hold the brakes. Se koe tipi aku se siang, se koe tipi aku se skamako, wailoa. Yeah, so they, excuse you, I'm talking. And, oh yeah, tomato, guys. I would normally like it with heaps of onion. Oh, ka fair, my mind is everywhere. See, face up, galo, That sounds like a big dragon coming out of the Look at my daydream going away. Yeah. What's my fussy onion? Why am I keep going back to onion? Okay, calm. Okay. Yeah, so we're going to this Asian restaurant, guys, and they put some coriander right on the top of my soup, and I was thinking, what's this? So I said to my husband, what's this? And I'm eating it and I'm going, ew, I've never tasted this before. So I pick it all out and I give it to my husband. And he goes, don't give it to me, because he doesn't even know what to. Guys, we are very, very limited when we were staying in New Zealand. Yes, we would only eat kinners, mussels, fish, yeah, and flaps. But we were really into the, too much vegetables. Whew. Anyway, that was a lot to say. So, guys, I keep seeing these food go past, and it's got like that coriander stuff on top, and I'm going, But we love going there, you see, Bankstown, the old side of Bankstown, for soups. And then, you know what? This can opener, yeah, koe ngā can opener for ya ye. Ngā le fia ua ai a koe whafo whalamalama ai a waka e le whalamalama. Ka kala whalamalama a ko loi whafo. This is what this can opener is. It will, slice part of the can, but the other bits, no. There, eh? There. Oh my, it's opening. Oh, oi, olea lofa. See, the gala upper knows that I'm filming, so he's trying to behave. Yeah, elea koe kia ia oi. Ke ngofai I ka ngofo. Mai loa. See, when you're a good girl, you behave and you listen. God, Faye, I need to check you out. No, you're being a good girl. Yeah, you know your lease is coming up. Anyway, yeah, no. Ako kikiaki lucky away, sweet mayo amio, because I was just about to get its eviction notice. Anyway, this all the tayo. Woohoo! Bye, guys. Bye. Ai kuale me kasi. Ai kuale me kasi. What do you feel like? Out there doesn't like that with the rest. I'm trying to be rude. Anyway, guys. Oh, my mind is not with my stuff today, guys. I was supposed to shake the yeah, shake umami umerua. Oh, I was supposed to shake the can, and I go and shake the. Okay. Bye. Kedi dua. Awa laka meli coronavirus ya ika. This is my mukbang spoon, guys. Mush a little bit of this elegi. Some people like to really mush it up, and then you have to go far hard to go seek. You have to find all the elegi, like, hello, where are you? But me, I like a chunks, some chunks. Yeah, lava there. Then you mix it, guys. Right, well, lava lo cucumber kat my yaka make ka wofi. No, I don't think it's Kamiki. I think it's that old man Kamiki, my husband. Oh, how rude. He gonna touch my cucumber. Anyway, guys. Oh, looks delicious. Fine. I know. My camera's saying it's heating up. Oh, rude. Okay, guys, I'll have to turn it off. Anyway, I had to turn the camera off because it got a bit heated up. Naughty. Anyway, I'll get back to shaking this coconut cream. Far out, man. My mind was just not... So, I'll pour all this in, and then you get a half a can of water. Okay, guys, so I hope this is half a can. It looks like a half a can. Yeah, and you put half a can of water in there, guys. You don't want it to be too rich. And then you chop up your beautiful looking lemon. So then, okay. Oh, wow. Did I tell you what? I need to go to the gym. Okay. Guys, now I'm going to stir it. Do you know this is my mum's favourite, cooker. Not even a cooker, guys. This is my mum's favourite. She's such a lovely woman, my mama. Such a caring, loving lady. Very strict on her upbringing, but her love was always for anyone. Anyone. Didn't matter who it was. She never ever, turned away from helping anyone. Guys, it's gonna need a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Stir it. And it's all done. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna put some away for my mama because this is her favorite. She used to make this when we were little kiddies. I loved it. She used to make it. My dad used to go the kalo, and she'll make this. And it was a family favorite. So thank you, Mama, for showing me. Never taught me, but you see, when you observe cooking, you're gonna learn. Just like how you guys are observing. If you guys have never done this before, I'm showing you guys now. Now you guys can make some, so you guys can have some at home. Take it for kongai, man. It'll be a hit. Trust. You take this, other than the oka, the bisupo, sapusui, everything on that table will be a hit. Because for food, guys, for food, okay. Now, I got it. Guys. Oh, bye. Delicious. Ai vai la le ipu. Oh, ka le pepelo. Ia malanga ipu like kikia menti le. Listen. Okay, stop. You guys better stop it. Stop it right now teasing me. Okay? I know this is not the real size of what I really want. Really want. But it's only for taste. Love heaps of, cucumber. Okay, guys. Yeah. I already thanked the good Lord for this food, guys. I did, because without God, you guys know what I mean. What I really mean. Okay, guys. And more. Yeah. This is more. So, yeah. Open up, guys. I don't even have to tell you guys how good this is. Thank you guys for making the stuff that I make. I appreciate it, Why not, man? Sometimes our folks don't teach us these kind of things. But it's always nice to learn, Still, learning is never ending. You learn every day. There's still so much we don't know. But always put your faith in God, trust that He'll be there. Even if you're going through a hard time, bad time, that's not what God wants for us. That's that horrible devil guy. He's the one that's doing all the badness, not God. So, just keep your faith in Him. In God. I'm so good, guys. So man có bao nhiêu this in your fridge and in your pantry. Cảm thấy như phải vài bộ mà bốc à. Thank you, loving God, for this beautiful food. Anyway, thank you guys for joining me. Remember, stay home during this lockdown. Behave yourself. What? Don't be, hey, put it this way, you're saving a lot of money. You're staying home. Do you know I haven't even gone shopping for almost 2 weeks? And I'm saving money, honey. Yeah, I will go here. Oh, yeah. Still drinking my cake and water, guys. Yeah, we'll find a little. Wait, Lord. Go and watch some other YouTubers out there. Polytubers, you know, always support kako polytubers. Or Makamaka Lako channel, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if you want. Subscribe if you haven't. Hey, all right. Paso for. God bless you all. Behave. Wait on. Behave. Naughty. Now, thank you for, once again, one of my favourite YouTubers, Siosi and Victoria. Thank you, Victoria, for getting in touch with me. Feeling special. And hey, and I was not trying to avoid you, Victoria. It's my daughter. She has to come and show me how to do it. Okay. Love you and leave you guys. Take care. Fasu for my 5th and last farewell. Fasu for kia manuia. Thank you for all my new subscribers. I got a lot of new subscribers this week. Woo! Praise good Lord. Thank you guys. Oh, you guys are champions. And thank you for watching me and my husband's video. Guess what, guys? I said to him, you know what? You're putting on this act like you don't talk. You talk. Next time, you talk. And he goes, yeah, I will, darling. And then he even said he wants to film. I said to him, a lot of people are saying that they want to see you on my channel again. He goes, yeah, okay. Yeah, next time we will, he's trying to say next time. Guys, this time, is this guy trying to take over my channel? You know what? I will. Sasa. Fussy. Yeah. Fussy for it.